Enjoy the benefits of spinach for diabetes without kidney stones, right? You want to know about this? I want to take the opportunity first to welcome you to Sugar MD channel on YouTube, where we are committed to providing or offering health information and advice that has been specifically developed for our diabetes community. In this video, we will delve into the world of spinach and find out how this delightfully green food can help people with diabetes without causing kidney stones. Now sit, put your feet up, and get ready to find out how spinach can help you control your blood sugar levels without kidney stones. To begin, let's talk about the fiber in the diet. Spinach is an excellent source of a nutritional fiber. I know it's cliche, you will say, but you need to remember, fiber is difficult for our systems to digest. And because of this, eating spinach does not result in any increase in the amount of sugar in your blood. And spinach contains a type of fiber called soluble fiber, which is crucial for lowering blood glucose levels and keeping diabetes under control. Therefore, if you make spinach a regular part of your diet, you are already doing something productive to control the amount of sugar in your blood. The fact that spinach is a non-starchy vegetable is another benefit of it. It indicates that it has very little to no effect on your blood sugar levels. So you are free to indulge in the verdant delicacy to your heart's content without worrying about any unfavorable effects on your diabetes. Additionally, spinach is regarded as a food with a low glycemic index, which indicates that it has a negligible to non-existent effect on your blood sugar levels. So if you have diabetes, cutting back on the amount of carbohydrates, everybody tells you that, right? But nobody tells you what to eat, right? That's why I'm here. Well, spinach is a great vegetable. You can eat in a variety of ways. You can eat with eggs, you can boil it, you can bake it, whatever, right? And it's low in carbs. It makes an ideal choice for people with diabetes. You are taking basically a proactive step toward maintaining the control of your diabetes by increasing the amount of spinach in your diet. That's it. Just eat once or twice a week. Spinach is going to lower your blood sugar levels almost immediately. Are you still sick and tired of dealing with these highs and lows in your blood sugar levels? Because when you eat carbs, you spike and then you dip. Now, have no fear, because I would say eat the spinach and you're still having problems, or you don't want to eat spinach, you're like a stubborn, I'm not going to eat that. Well, we have the Sugar MD Advanced Glucose Support. We have a lot of glucose support supplements on our website. You can enjoy those to prevent the blood sugar imbalances without all the fuss. It is as easy as taking 1 to 2 capsules with the meals, and you can say goodbye to those pesky imbalances and say hello to the balanced blood sugar levels with Sugar MD. I would say give it a try and see the difference for yourself. I will say you will not regret it. Not only does spinach have a low carbohydrate content, but it also has an extremely low calorie count. Now, consuming foods that are low in calories is going to do what? Well, it's going to make your body burn fat. As a result, you will lose weight. It's going to give you healthy body weight. Healthy body weight means healthy insulin levels. Healthy insulin levels mean less cancer, less cardiovascular disease. So if you make a spinach a regular part of your diet, you'll be doing yourself, your body, a huge favor, delaying the groundwork for a healthier and happier version of yourself. Now, I'm going to talk about the calcium stones. I didn't forget, but I'll say for diabetics, again, spinach is an excellent food option because it possesses a wide range of positive health effects. As a result of its high fiber content, low carbohydrate content, extremely low calorie content, you have to include it in your diet. Now, there's a lot of oxalate in the spinach. Some people will say, I cannot eat anything with oxalate because I have kidney stones, or I have a family history of kidney stones, etc., etc. Well, I'll give you a good piece of advice right now. Try eating your spinach with some dairy, like yogurt, for example, if you want to be sure that you keep the kidney stones at bay. Your best ally is calcium in the dairy. Now, That's right, calcium can come to rescue and bind the oxalate in the intestines, ensuring it does not end up in your kidneys, where it can precipitate into painful stones. So eat your broccoli and kale, or spinach in this case, and take your calcium in the food or in the supplements and keep the stones away. But remember, don't overdo it. Too much of a good thing can be bad, because sometimes calcium overload can happen. So don't do that to yourself. Calcium is key for avoiding kidney stones. Now, like I said, calcium will bind the oxalate in the intestine before they meet in the kidneys to form stones. So what exactly is preventing you then from taking pleasure in this verdant treat, right? The spinach. So you can begin to savor the great benefits that spinach gives for the treatment of diabetes as soon as today by increasing the amount of spinach in your diet. Okay, I think I am done. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and consider being a member. Well, I appreciate that. Sugar MD has a lot of great health and nutrition advice for everyone, geared mostly for diabetics, but also for people with insulin resistance and obesity, and for our elderly patients as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.